This is a gentle grounding practice you can use whenever your thoughts feel busy, your body feels unsettled, or you simply want to come back to the present moment. You do not have to do this perfectly. You do not have to feel completely calm. Just let this be a small moment of returning to where you are, to what is around you, and to the quiet steadiness of now. If it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to stay open. Let your gaze soften and begin by taking one slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. There is nothing you need to force, nothing you need to fix. Just this moment, just this breath, just this simple practice of noticing. Now, slowly look around the space you are in. Begin by noticing 5 things you can see. They do not have to be special. They do not have to be beautiful. Just 5 simple things that are here with you now. You might notice a wall, a window, a piece of furniture, a shape, a color, a shadow, or the way light touches the surface. Take your time here. Let your eyes move gently around the space, noticing one thing first, then a second, a third, a fourth, and finally, one more. 5 simple things you can see. If it helps, you can silently name them to yourself. This is a chair. This is a wall. This is a light. This is a table. This is a door. Or whatever is true for the space you are in. Simple things, steady things, things that remind you you are here in this moment. Now, bring your attention to 4 things you can feel. Again, they can be very simple. You might begin with the feeling of your feet touching the floor, then the contact between your body and the chair, the weight of your hands, or the texture of your clothing against your skin. You might notice the temperature of the air, the softness or firmness beneath you, or the feeling of something nearby. Let yourself notice 4 simple points of contact, 4 quiet reminders that you are here, feeling the support beneath you, feeling the contact of your body with the world around you, feeling yourself held by this moment. If you would like, you can gently press your feet into the floor, just enough to notice the ground beneath you, and as you do, you might silently say, I am here, I am supported, I am in this moment. Now, begin to notice 3 things you can hear. You do not need to search too hard, just let the sounds come to you. Maybe there is a sound close by, maybe there's a sound farther away. Maybe there's a quiet hum in the room, the sound of your breath, a clock, a voice in the distance, traffic outside, the movement of air, or simply the quiet around you. Let yourself notice one sound, then allow your awareness to open to a second, and when you are ready, notice a third. 3 things you can hear. Let the sounds be there, without needing to judge them, change them, or push them away. They are simply part of this moment, and you are simply noticing. Now, bring your awareness to 2 things you can smell. There may be a scent in the room, something fresh, something warm, something familiar. The scent of soap, fabric, tea, coffee, air, or simply the natural scent of the space around you. If you do not notice a smell right away, that is okay. You might simply notice the air as it moves in and out. Or you might imagine a comforting scent, something soft and familiar, like clean laundry, fresh rain, a quiet forest, or warm sunlight on a peaceful morning. Let yourself notice one scent that is present, or one scent you can gently imagine. Then notice a second, without pressure, without needing to get it right, just noticing. Now, Bring your attention to one thing you can taste. Maybe there is a taste already present. A sip of water, tea, mint, something sweet, something neutral, or simply the natural taste in your mouth. If there is nothing obvious, that is completely okay. Just notice whatever is there. One small anchor, one simple reminder that you are here, in your body, in this moment. Now take a slow breath in and let it out gently. You have noticed 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. And maybe something has shifted, maybe only a little. Maybe your breath feels softer. Maybe your body feels a little more present. Maybe your thoughts have slowed, even slightly. And maybe nothing dramatic has changed at all. That is okay too. This practice is not about forcing calm. It is about returning to the room, returning to the body, returning to the present moment, one small detail at a time. Take another easy breath in and a slow breath out. Let your shoulders soften, even a little. Let your jaw release, even a little. Let your hands rest, even a little. And remind yourself, I do not have to figure everything out right now. I can come back to this moment. I can come back to what is real. I can come back to what is here. Look around once more. Notice where you are. Notice that this moment is here. Notice that you are here too, breathing, listening, feeling, present. And whenever you are ready, allow your attention to gently return to the rest of your day, carrying with you this simple reminder. You can pause, you can notice, you can return, one breath, one sense, one moment at a time.